Hi guys, welcome back to Perfume Class 3, and today's topic is how to apply perfumes or how to wear perfumes. Okay, I know a lot of people wanted to know how to wear perfume, how to apply perfumes. A lot of people ask me that, or they keep asking me what to do when wearing perfumes, what not to do while wearing perfumes. See, please understand, in perfume world, knowing what not to do is more important than knowing what to do. I mean, knowing what to do means fine. I mean, you know there's a perfume bottle, you have to pick it up and spray. But what not to do while spraying, while wearing is more important. So, I'll start with what not to do, or rather, how not to apply perfumes, and I want to focus on how not to wear perfumes. Okay? So let's start. First thing first, if you're applying perfume on inside part of your wrist, please don't rub it. I repeat, please do not rub it. See, please understand, a perfume is a piece of art. Okay? It has lot of layering, lot of ingredients, lot of different notes, one over each other. Okay, imagine there is a painting, freshly made painting. If you go and rub that painting, what will happen? That painting will get spoiled. Okay, same with the perfumes. If you are spraying, then after that, no need to rub it. Just leave it as it is. No need to rub it. Okay, by doing that, you are spoiling your perfume and you are hampering the performance of that perfume, to say the least. Okay, you are entirely spoiling your perfume. That was the first point. Second, lot of you must have heard or read somewhere people saying that you should apply Vaseline or any body lotion or any moisturizer or any body cream before applying perfumes. I mean, that's very illogical thing to do. You don't have to apply any other cream or Vaseline or all those things before applying perfume. See, please understand, any perfume, either it is long lasting or it is not long lasting. Yes, even original perfumes are not long lasting at times. So please don't try to make it long lasting or smell better by applying some weird logic of moisturizing your skin with body lotion or cream or Vaseline. It won't work. It doesn't work. There is no need to do that. In any perfume, there is a perfume oil, then water, then alcohol, then other chemicals. Together, they will any which ways make your skin little bit moist than whatever natural character of your skin is. Okay, so just spray as it is, no need to apply. If at all you have to wear any lotion or body cream or Vaseline for whatever reason, please do it, please wear it, please apply after you spray the perfume. Yes, spray the perfume first, wherever, here or here, then wait for 5-10 minutes, let the alcohol get evaporate. Okay, then after that you can apply, if at all. If it is not needed, then I would not recommend that. Okay, that's pretty illogical thing to do, using any lotion before any perfume. Okay, third point is, please don't try to wear perfume just after any meal, like dinner or lunch or any time of the day. If you've had something, if you've had any food, I mean, please avoid wearing perfume just after any meal. Okay, because see what happens when we eat, our body generates heat, and that heat comes out, especially if you've had any spicy food like Indian food or Southeast Asian food or Mexican. I mean, these are spicy food. If you if you've had that food, this little bit smell of spice also will come out along with the heat. So definitely that will make your perfume weaker. Your perfume will not stick properly to your skin, and it will not perform up to the mark. Okay, and it might smell. It might create some weird smell mixing with some spice. You never know, some other spice which is the smell of those spice which is coming out of your body. Okay, so please don't do that. Please avoid. Okay, best time to wear perfume is just after shower, either in the morning or in the evening if you're going out. That's the best time. Okay, next point is, lot of people write and have said that you have to create some perfume cloud over your head by spraying perfume in the air, and then you have to walk through that cloud so that all the droplets comes down and stick to your skin evenly. What a hilarious thing to do, and what a waste of perfume is that. If you have heard such things, please don't pay any attention to those theories. And if you have not heard, please believe that you have not heard at all. Okay, that's again very illogical thing to do, to say the least. What a waste of perfume is that. Just imagine, you are just making your atmosphere smelling good. After you have left that particular place, only that place will smell good. You will not smell. So don't do those kind of adventurous things, or don't fall into that kind of theories. Okay, so that was all about what not to do, how not to wear perfumes. Let's see what to do and how to wear perfumes. Okay, so as we started, which part of the body is good to wear perfumes? Either pulse points here, or any other pulse point. Yes, you can. Those pulse points are good place to spray perfumes. Your perfume will perform little bit better if you're spraying on your pulse points, like both sides of the neck, inside of the wrist, or somewhere else here wherever there is a pulse. That is okay, but there is no compulsion that you have to apply perfume on your pulse points only. You can apply your perfumes on other body parts also. No compulsion at all. Your perfume will smell perfectly. I would recommend spray generously on your chest and both sides of the neck. That's fair enough. Okay? Just make sure while you're spraying on your chest, just keep the perfume bottle at least 6 to 8 inches away from your body, so that perfume spreads evenly on your body. Okay, that much you should do. Otherwise, you can apply perfume on any place of your body. It's your body, you've paid for the perfume. Apply it generously. Don't worry. See, there is no need to make things very much complicated. Okay, just keep it very simple. No need to think about whether I should apply Vaseline or I should create some cloud over my head or some. No need to do all those things. Just pick up the bottle and spray it. Okay, you'll be fine. Next is how much to wear, or how many sprays. Well, that depends upon what kind of perfume you are wearing. There is no universal rule to that. If a perfume is very strong, like Costume National Home or any of the Amouage perfumes, then 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 sprays are sufficient according to me. Okay, and if your perfume is little bit lighter, more of a citrusy, aquatic, fresh kind of perfume, then you can spray as much as you want. Yes, you can spray as much as you want. Just make sure how much you can handle. Just forget about other people. Just make sure how much you yourself can handle, how much smell you can handle. Okay, If you're fine with 10 sprays, fine, spray it. If you're fine with 20 sprays, spray it. If you're not comfortable with more than 5 sprays, then stick to that. Okay? It's up to you. Okay. Next point is whether to wear perfume on clothes or not. Of course, very much. You should spray perfume or wear perfume on your clothes. I mean, after all, your perfume will last longer on your clothes, especially on cotton fabric. So please, you can apply or wear perfumes on your clothes. How much? Well, depends on you. Again, 50-50, maybe 50% on your body, then 50% on your clothes, or 60-40. If you're going out, you're going to any nice evening party, then maybe 60% on your body, then 40% on your clothes. You can do that. But please remember, if your fabric or the material of your dress or whatever you're wearing is not cotton, then the perfume may not stick to that material. If you're wearing cotton, then fine. I mean, there are people who sweat a lot, so perfume doesn't stick to their body. Okay, so for them it's recommended to spray perfumes on their clothes most of the time, or most of the perfume they should spray on clothes only, because if they are sweating all the time, then their perfume may not perform well. So that much that you can do without any hesitation, no issues in that. And what about layering? Layering of perfumes. See, layering means wearing more than 2-3 perfumes at a time, or at least wearing more than couple of perfumes at a time. Whether you can do it or not, well, you can do it, but that's a pretty risky thing to do. I mean, if you're layering your perfume, if you're wearing 3-4 perfumes at a time, then before doing that, you should try out those things, those perfumes at your home, so that at least you should know what kind of smell they are producing. I mean, if you're going to very nice party, very nice event, and if you have sprayed 3-4 perfumes together, and if they are producing some weird smell, then you are gone for the day, or maybe gone for the life. Okay, so if you want to experiment, still I would not recommend layering, because you never know what kind of smell that will produce. There's no point wearing more than one perfume at a time. But yes, people do. There are people who wear 4, 5, 6 perfumes. I would suggest, if you're wearing more than 2 perfume, more than 1 perfume, or more than 3 perfumes on your body, don't spray perfumes over each other. If you're spraying one perfume this side, then please spray another perfume this side. Don't spray over that perfume. So at least you're not mixing your perfume. From this side some other smell will come, from this side some other smell will come, or together they will make some smell, but at least you will avoid yourself smelling weird. Okay, so please do not do layering. If at all you have to do layering, or if at all you have to wear multiple perfumes, then spray on different parts, not on same place. Okay guys, that was all about how to apply perfumes, or rather how not to apply perfumes. Again, what not to do is more important in perfume world than what to do. And one more time I will repeat, if your perfume is lighter, it's not very strong, apply as much as you want. Don't worry, don't think too much, don't make it too much complicated. Just pick up the bottle, spray on your body and enjoy. Okay guys, see you soon with another video. If you have any queries, any suggestions, anything you want to add, please add your comments on comment box. Okay, please subscribe, share, like if you find it likable. See you soon with another video. Take care.